What's going on, guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a hardware build update, guys. As you may know, we are in the process of coming to like a panda style video right now, but we're gonna test out the 3070 Ti Zotac that we got here from Tech Shinji. Big shout out to you, buddy. So we're gonna be testing this thing out, but I gotta build a rig real fast. And what better way to utilize it than utilizing the Rebtech motherboard that we have right here. Alright, coupled with the chump change hangers. So we have the hanger that's for this, as well as a hanger for the GPU. So we have both of those here ready to go. And we'll use those for the motherboard and the card. We'll be utilizing a Corsair RM850x power supply. Love these power supplies. I use them almost everything. Not the 850s, but usually the 1000s. Alright. This is for the Rebtech, okay? This was how I flashed Hive. This is just the encase or the enclosure that goes for the M Sata here on the board. So we'll have to plug that in to the card. That way we have Hive on there. I also have it on a USB if it doesn't natively read from there, just to try it out. Now, since we are using a Rebtech, you know, the only way to power a Rebtech is through a 6-pin on the bottom, right there, and there's no motherboard port. So, since there's no motherboard port, we're going to utilize this, which is a tester. Makes sense? Alright, and it'll fool the motherboard 24 pin to thinking that it is on and plugged in. Here's our GPU.com riser, which we won't need this part because that just plugs straight into the Rebtech board itself. Alright, and then of course we have our cables that we'll be using. So motherboard cable, going to be fooled by the port. And we have 3 PCIe cables. One of these will power the riser and the Rebtech, and then these two are for the 3070 Ti. Alright, so 1 second and then we'll be done. And there we go. So, as you can see, we have it up and running. That's what I love most about these Corsair power supplies, is because of the fact that if they're not underneath a high amount of load, the fan doesn't even run, and it's like not even hot. So we have the 3070 Ti plugged in, running off of its own 2 dedicated 8 pins, and then we have 1 8-pin running the Rebtech along with the riser for the 3070 Ti. All right, and as soon as I attached the M Sata, gave it, I plugged in Ethernet, turn on the power supply, and we were good to go. It was up and running, recognized the card immediately. So as you can see right here, it is up and hashing. We have it hashing away on conceal. Alright, on Hero Miner's pool. Right now I have it pushing about 3. I have it up and running, and it's hitting about 3,000 hashes here on conceal. Running about, what was it, 180 to 179 watts is what's bouncing between. Nothing on the memory and just 100 on the core for now. I'm just kind of playing with it. I'm just going to get it up and running. But as you can see, it is up and running. Had no issues whatsoever getting it up and running. So pretty awesome. Never used one of these boards before. Glad that it just worked. Glad you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you push the like button, subscribe button, and the bell notifications every time that we go live here or post videos on the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Nice little testing while we're getting ready to move into the new place. Little test bench here. So awesome. Next, in the next video, you'll see us test out the new MB miner to see the Ethereum hash rate on this, because the newest MB miner actually lets you have unlocked hash rates. So See y'all later, guys.